Hello everyone, this is Emily. Today we are going to make Doughnut, the memories when I was a kid. The ingredients to make Doughnut is very simple and easily available, and all the households should have all these. First, we are going to add in all the ingredients except butter and knead until it becomes a smooth dough. Next, we are going to add in the butter. Continue kneading until all the butter are well blended into the dough. Once it is done, remove your dough onto a surface and shape into a bowl and leave in a warm place and let it proof for an hour. After an hour, now you can see the dough has become double in size. And again, we are going to remove it onto a surface and knead again. The purpose is to make sure all the big bubbles in the dough are being squeezed out. Next, we are going to divide the dough. 20 grams is perfect size for me. Of course, you can make it smaller to 10 or 15 grams each. With the help of your palm, we are going to shape the dough into a small bowl, and again we have to let it rise for another 40 minutes. I'm leaving in the microwave because the weather is too cold at the moment. After 40 minutes, or when the dough has become double in size, we are going to start cooking by deep frying. By using a thermometer, make sure the temperature has reached 170 degrees Celsius. The other way to test is with the help of chopstick. You can see the small bubbles coming out when you insert the chopstick into the oil. Gently remove the dough from the tray into the oil and you can start frying. When one side of the donut has turned golden brown, flip to the other side using a chopstick, or you can use a strainer. Gently press each donut to ensure each side of the donut are fried evenly. While the donut is still hot, add them into the sugar and ensure they are coated with the sugar evenly. Our donut is now done and you can eat it straight away, but I prefer my donuts on the skewers. I think it's just a more interesting way and a fun way to eat my donuts. Get your kids with these donut skewers. I'm sure they love doing this.
Wow, Mom, this is so good! Hey guys, do you like to eat this? It is very yummy.
好咯，这就是我们今天的迷你甜甜圈，一口一个，不对，是2口一个，串在竹签上的甜甜圈，吃起来好像别有一番滋味哦。软软甜甜的迷你甜甜圈，别看它好像沾了很多的砂糖就会很甜，但是其实不会的，所以呢非常的好吃，记得要多做一些哦。一个接着一个的吃，天哪，我到底吃了几颗呀？明天再称，算了，不称了。好吧，这就是今天的视频。如果你们喜欢的话，记得给我一个赞或者关注我的视频。我们下期再见咯，拜拜。